Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see how to create calculator in Tableau. So we will see one by one steps to how to create calculator in Tableau. So let's start with the first step. So to create calculator, the first thing is we need operators. So we will create parameter, and to that parameter we will name it as a operator, and we will take data type as a string because we want to list the operators. So our first operator is plus, then minus, then into, and then divided by. So these are the our operators, and click OK and display the parameter, show the parameter. So as you can see, our operators are here. So we will make it as a single value list, so it will be visible to us properly. All the operators, as you can see, plus, minus, into, and divided by. Now our operator is completed. Now we need left hand side and right hand side values. So for that we will create one LHS parameter and RHS parameter. So for left hand side value we will name it as same LHS, and we will take value float. You can take, if you want, you can take integer as well, and we will make it as a range, minimum 1, maximum 100, and we will click on OK button and show parameter. So this is the our LHS value, left hand side value, and I will make it as a type in. Okay, so this is our left hand side value, and duplicate this parameter and name it the duplicate parameter as right hand side value. Other things remain same, data type, range of values, all the same. Just rename it as RHS. Click OK and show the RHS parameter as well. Make it as type in. So now our all the things that we need in the calculation, that is left hand side value, right hand side value, and operators are here. So now we need to create one calculation field to join these parameters each other. Okay. So for that we need to create one calculation. So we will write one calculation field, and I will name it as operator calculation. Okay. And the calculation is if operator parameter is equal to plus, sorry, is equal to plus, then, so if our operator parameter is plus, then we want LHS parameter plus RHS parameter value. Okay. Then our next our condition is else if our operator parameter means this parameter, our operators like plus, minus, these are the our operator parameter. Okay, equal to minus, then we want LHS minus RHS. Okay, else if, then again our third condition, operator parameter is equal to into, then we want LHS into RHS. Okay, last our fourth condition, that is else if operator parameter is equal to divided by, then we want to divide LHS, sorry, then we want to divide LHS divided by RHS, and we will end this calculation. Okay, so I hope everyone is understand this calculation. So that's it for this calculation. Just click OK and take this calculation into the text. as well as take LHS into the text, RHS into the text, okay, and operator into the text. So now LHS, then our operator, sort it as per your like values, and then RHS, and then our sum of value. Okay, so how I sort it? First our LHS value, that is this value, then our operator, that is plus operator, then our RHS value, that is this value, and then our sum of value, that is 2. So you need to edit the tooltip. I will edit the tooltip first. You need to insert LHS value, okay, then our operator, then our RHS value, and then equal to our sum of operator calculation. You need to apply equal to here for the equal to option and click OK. So now as you can see, our calculation is created here. So now it's time to format. So format it. So our first field is RHS. So format the RHS number custom. Okay. Then our second field is LHS. Format number custom. Remove decimals. And then our third field is sum of operator calculation custom. Remove the decimals. Okay. So it's done. Now our calculator is ready in Tableau. If you want, you can take it as a middle as well. Okay, and make it as entire view. So your calculation is in middle. Now whatever value, suppose I want to take 20, and in RHS I want to take 20, or I will take 40. So 20 plus 40 is equal to 60. Suppose I will take in LHS 50 and in RHS 50, so it will shows 100 to us. So yeah, it's 100. So at this is the way. Or if you want to change any operator value, so you can easily change. Likewise, I will take 20 and I will take 10 here, and I will change the operator. So as you can see, 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Or I will change operator into, so 20 into 10 to 100. Or I will change operator as a divided by, so 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. So this is our calculator in Tableau. I hope everyone is understand how we can create a calculator in Tableau. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. If you like, please do like and subscribe for the channel. Thank you. Thank you guys.